So what's up, everybody, man? So this morning I got two flats, as you can see. Two tires on each side is getting fixed both at the same time. And I got a valve stem on one side there. Then this other side here, I had another big old piece of metal stuck off in there. So right there where he's making that little dot hole, that's where the other hole is at. Yeah, so I can say again, this is old Nando tire service here, and that's his number down there. Y'all need any help or something, y'all give this man a shout out and y'all get him some work and he'll take care of you all day long. So you got Nando working on one tire, and then the other guy, he'll be working on the second tire here. So I just found out that in my first tire when Nando was working at, I had 3 more big ass screws off in there, but the heads broke off of them, so you couldn't really tell that there was 2 more screws up off in there. Damn. And these damn tires, boy, they are a magnet for big ass screws. So this little bitty yellow device they have here, that little device there is what helps take the tire off the back rim when it's actually been stuck on there for a while. And you know, with all the twisting and turning and bouncing up and down, it kind of makes that rubber stick to that piece of metal. Then they have to pry it off with the little yellow thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's called a little gadget. Man, if y'all look at it, that damn tire is about tall as Nando, man. There go the valve stem right there that was stuck in the right side tire there.